Dave Portnoy. Do we know anybody who knows Dave Portnoy? Can we please help a brother out? Because he says, I have a dumb question. If I bought Bitcoins through FTX and FTX goes belly up, where do they go? Apparently, Dave Portnoy.
Was it even Bitcoin to begin with, or was it just magical numbers on a balance sheet?
This is the reason why we say not your keys, not your cheese.
Somebody didn't tell Dave.
Right. And this is the problem, guys. And we're gonna continue to talk on this channel about native assets and why they are so important. And it's because the problem with centralized exchanges is, like Brandon said, if you have a bad actor or something bad happens outside of your control and that centralized exchange goes belly up, so do quote unquote your coins, because they were never yours in the first place. They were IOUs. It's like on Dumb and Dumber when freaking Jim Carrey's like, there you go. There you go.
What is this? What is this? Where's all the money? That's as good as money, sir. Those are IOUs. Go ahead and add it up. Every cent's accounted for. Look. See this? That's a car. 275,000. Might want to hang on to that one.
This shit is not yours. That's the problem with centralized exchanges. So when people are like, who cares? Who cares about Coinbase? Who cares about FTX? Why are they a problem? This reason, because it's not yours. It's an image. It's a synthetic. It's a replica. It is not yours to have to do what you want with. It is an IOU at best. So Dave, I'm sorry. Lord knows I love you. You know, one bite. Everybody knows the rules. But bitch, you lost on this one.
Yeah. I mean, I hope they all get made whole, but we have no guarantee of that.
Absolutely not.
And by the way, the second portion of where it says, does anybody have access to them, or have they just lost into the ether or something forever? And no, they're not lost. Usually in an exchange, there is cold storage where they will. Correct. They're the ones that have the keys, not you. So when this goes into receivership, like Mt. Gox did, which is one of those 2015, way back in the day meltdowns, they're still in a wallet that will be released as the court allows it to be released, a bankruptcy court, whatever court is involved at the time. So they are not lost into ether. Now, here's the kick in the nuts, though. When you're involved in futures, then there's more Bitcoin. It's literally you're trading pink slips.
Yep.
You're not really trading spot true Bitcoin. The exchange has to retain as much liquidity, as much Bitcoin to pay out their bettors, their gamblers in there, or people who know what they're doing. Don, I'm referring to you.
For cash.
Yeah, right. But they are really, the futures aspect of it is pink slips, just like futures is in the real world, in the traditional markets. They are not the asset itself. They're representations or pink slips of it. But if someone, just like it happened in any bank run, everybody tries to go collect on those pink slips, there are not enough pink slips. And thus the importance of you, when you buy, move it to your wallet, because now you have the actual asset. You do not have a pink slip as you would in an exchange. So that's the lesson.
I have a pink slip for a Ferrari. Where is it? But I have my slip. Where's your Ferrari? Bitch, I don't know. It ain't here though, but I have a slip. That's all you're going to get.
Yes.
Right.
That's the best you're going to get. So frame that and tell everybody you have a Ferrari, because that's as close as it's going to be.
So Dave Portnoy,
I'm sorry,
you have
bro.
a pink slip.